Okay. Okay. Sorry about that. I think we are live on YouTube already. Okay, good. So again, I want to say so we will identify the section first. So every section will have one purpose. This is your benefit section. The second section is your pricing section. The third section is your testimonial section. Then the final section is actually your contact section. So once you identify the section already, the next thing you need to do is to identify rows. So what is rows? So the first thing is your section. Sorry, so section. First thing you need to identify your sections. The second thing that you need to identify is your rows. Okay. So in this section itself, there should be 3 rows. 1 for the header. 2, 1 for the header. Sorry. The second one will be for this part. Okay, item. Then the third one will be for the button. Okay, so in each row, right, what do you call as a row is when you have a different structure, then it will be a new row. So in this example, right, this is a 1/3 column structure. That means 3 column structure lah. So 3 column structure. So this is 1 column structure. This is 3 column structure. This is 1 column structure. So there are total of 3 rows. Okay. So in the second part, the second section, this header again is 1 row. Okay, and then you will have 1 row for the pricing table itself. Okay, for this pricing table, we will only use 1 column, although it has 3, but this is 1 whole pricing table, so we use 1 column. Okay, then the third section, we want to use 1 row, but this is 2 column structure. Okay, finally you have 1 row. Okay, no, sorry, this is 2 row because the header is 1 row itself. This is 1 row. Then you have another row is for the contact and the FAQ. The same thing, the FAQ itself is 1 thing, the contact form itself is 1 thing. Okay, but this row itself both has 2 column structure. Okay, so this is what we have. Okay, so far so good. Let me see, any question I can answer your. Okay, so far so good. Any question? Yeah, everybody okay? Okay, yeah. Thank you, me. Okay, so once we identify the section, the rows ready, right? The next one we need to do is identify the module. Okay, so the after section is your rows. Within your rows itself, it will be your column. Okay. Testimonial section, why no header row? Ken, so you can add another say testimonial here, then you have another row, but in my drawing I don't have, so only 1 row only. Okay, Lula. You can add a header if you want. Okay. Okay, now next thing is to identify the module itself. Now module, whatever that's inside the are you serious? Oh, okay. Thank you. Scare me. Okay, the whatever that's inside, right, is called modules. Okay, so for example, right, the first one you see here, this in this row is called a text module. Okay, now in this row, the top is an image module, the bottom is a text module. Okay, simple, right, so far? Okay, then in this row, it is a button module. Button. Okay, in this row is your text module. Okay, in this row is your pricing table module. In this row, both the column is testimonial module. Okay, in this row, both is text module. Lastly, in this row, the left hand side is your contact form, and the right hand side is your accordion. So in after section and row, the next one you have is your modules. That is about it. Any question? Any question that you want to ask? Are y'all okay so far? If okay, give me a thumbs up. Me, thank you. Jenny, thank you. Kevin, Nes, Cindy, Tiffany, Lula, and okay, Jenny, Francis, thank you. Everyone, okay, very good. Wow, you are very fast. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, I'm just going to do a screenshot on this part. Okay, and I'm gonna share my screen with you now. We are now, once we implemented the section and rows and modules, once we have identified them already, the next thing that we need to do is to implement it and create the sites. Okay, so just going to share screen. Okay, share this screen. Okay, this is not one. Okay, so I open up my other screenshot. Okay, May asked me a question. Where are May? What are the image and text? Why are the image and text consider one row? This part, right, May? Because the image and text, right, they are in the same structure, so they can consider as one row. Same things for this, right? They also can consider as one row if you want, because it's the same structure. Okay, so it's this one is 3 column, right? This one is half or half, right? So these two can consider as one row if you want to. Okay. So May's question was why these two is considered one row, not 2 different rows. May, did I answer your? Okay, thank you. Okay, so let's move on. Let's open this up a bit more and this up a bit more. So I'm going to put this here on the left side so y'all can see. Okay, so I'm just going to split my screen this way. Now, so the steps will get a little bit complicated. So I'll advise you, unless you got dual screen, if not, right, just listen to me first, look at how I do, then you start doing your thing. Okay, I will say out the instruction, then you can just follow the instruction and do it. Okay, so first thing first, create a new page, go under pages, click on all pages. Okay, we are going to implement this particular page into our small room. So under small room, click on edit button. And once you click on edit, the next thing you need to do is click on edit with a DV builder. Okay, this button. Okay. So this is what you see. You'll see this thing, then you can just click start building. And then the next thing you see is the 3 box. So today we're going to learn how to build from scratch. The next day on Wednesday, we learn how to choose preview layout. On Wednesday also, we learn how to clone existing page. Okay, so build from scratch. and this is what you have. Okay. Now go back to your own screen and do this until you reach this stage. Then give me a thumbs up. Okay. Thank you, Gavin. Okay. I repeat the step. Pages, all pages. Select small room. Click on edit. Okay. Once you're edit ready, you will see a purple button, edit with DV Builder. Click on edit with DV Builder. Okay. Then they will start loading the Visual Builder. You'll see a pop-up that says start building. Click on start building. Okay. Once you see another pop-up that says build from scratch, click on build from scratch. Okay, very good. I think most of you got it already. Okay, thank you, Tiffany, May, Jenny, all this. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, Andrew. Oh, very good. Okay. Thank you. Very good. Okay, now come back to my screen. I'm just going to show you. Now, whenever you create DV, the first section, whenever you start with your DV page, right? Come back to my screen, show you. Whenever you start with your DV page, the first section is always created for you. Okay, so now what you need to do is to create the first row. So this first row, as you can see, right, is just one column. So you can just click on the one column over here. Okay, click. Then the next thing they'll ask you is to insert module. So remember, our first module is text. Okay, so let's insert text. Okay, this is what you have. You can search for it or you can scroll and find. After you search for it, you see text over here. Click on it. Then you will see text settings here. Now this can be moved. This can be moved around. So this is what you can do. Okay, so for the text settings, I just need you all to change the content to features, training room features, training room features. Okay, and once you are done with this, I need you all to highlight it, and there's a paragraph over here. Click on it, select H2 because this is going to be H2, and that's it. Okay, we'll stop here. Now let's go back to your screen. I'm going to repeat my step again. Choose. Now they will ask you for the row. Choose the first one with one column. Once you choose, they'll ask you to insert module, search for text. Okay, click on the text. Under the body, right, you can see there's a group of words. Okay, so remove the words, change to training room features. After that, highlight the training room features. On the top left hand of the body box, you can see paragraph. Click on paragraph. Change to heading 2, sorry. Once you are done, just give me a thumbs up. Good. Very good. Yeah, very good. Tiffany, thank you. Please repeat. Jenny, which part? First, select the column. Choose the first column, one column only. Okay, choose the first one. Then they ask you for module. In the module, select text.
I'm not there. After DV, I found something with a bar across, and I don't think I'm on the page yet.
You saw something with a bar on.
Yeah, there's DV at the top, and then there's with a plus sign, a lot of plus sign.
Okay, good. Can you see a green plus sign?
Oh yeah, in the middle, right? In the middle, right?
Yes, click on the
Add
green
new
plus
row,
sign.
right? Add
Yes.
new row. Okay.
Then choose the first one.
Yeah, I did that one just now, and then.
Okay. Now they will ask you to insert module, right?
Yes.
Okay, click on the search for text.
Text. Okay.
Yeah. Then you'll see a text module, right?
Yep.
Now, once you're done, just click on that. then in the body content, right, there's a chunk of word there, right? So just remove it and change to training room features.
There's no chunk of it. There's just the word text.
Text, click on that.
Text settings, no? This text settings.
Correct. So text settings, there's a body, right? Under text, there's a body.
Yes. And then?
Okay. Then in the body, there's a chunk of words, right? Remove the chunk of words.
Okay.
Then change to training room features.
Training room features, okay.
Okay. Then highlight the word that you write, or highlight the word that you key in.
Okay.
On the top left hand, there's a heading. Click on the heading. Sorry, there's a paragraph. Click on the paragraph.
Heading 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, done.
Yeah.
Okay, so everyone done already. There's a green color tick. Click on the green color tick first. We're not going to touch on the design for now. So again, click on the green color tick. Okay, now I need y'all to mouse over to the heading, the training room feature. You will see a lot of plus sign, like what Jenny says, right? But now I need to add a new row because row is green in color, right? As I draw in my drawing also. Okay, you need to click on the green plus sign. Okay, so you take a look at my screen now. So I mouse over to training room features. There's a green plus sign. I click on the green plus sign. Now, once I click on the green plus sign, they will ask me to insert row. So what row should I insert? The 3 column, because this is the 3 column, right? 1, 2, 3. So I insert 3 columns. Okay. Now they ask me to insert module. You can actually insert module based on image and text, right? This part, right? But we also don't want to, we can also don't use that, but instead of image and text, right, you can choose this module that is blurb, BULRB, this module. Okay, blurb. Okay, blurb is basically, what is blurb? You click on that, you will know already. So blurb is basically image on top, text below. Image on top, text below. Okay. Now, once you are done, once you are done with this, there's no need to, maybe you can just insert the title. For example, free Wi-Fi. So you can go like enjoy our free high-speed Wi-Fi in all our training rooms. Okay, that's about it. Once you are done, what you need to do is just click on the green tick. That's it for now. Okay, go back to your screen. We'll try this out together. Go back to your screen. We'll try this out together. Okay, so select the gray icon, select the training room feature, click on the green plus sign. So you will have a add new row, right? Okay, so this time round, you choose the third option, which gives you the 3 columns. Okay, now, once you choose the 3 option, now the module that you should choose is called blurb, B-L-U-R-B. Okay, choose that. Now, once you choose the blurb already, the title, you will change the title to free Wi-Fi, and then the text you can change to enjoy, yeah, enjoy our free high-speed Wi-Fi, high speed. Okay, same thing. Once you're done, just click on the green tick, and then give me a thumbs up. Thank you, May. Thank you, Cindy, Gavin, Tiffany, Andrew, Jenny, HSing, sorry, Anna, Cindy, NG, and then Jensen, thank you. Jenny, okay, good. Now, very good. So everyone, you are quite fast already. Okay, so what do we do? So usually we will finish up the whole page first, then we will come back to do the design. So what we want to do is, for now, right, you need to create two more blurbs over here, which will give you different thing. So just look at my screen. So instead of creating two more blurbs over here, right, what we can do is you can do copy and paste. So you can either go mouse over to the first module, right click. Okay, let me just switch on my visual so you can know I click. One. Okay, you can. So once what you can do is mouse over to the previous module, right click once and select copy module. Go to the plus sign, right click and click on paste module. Or if you want, you can actually use Control C and Control V respectively. So over here, mouse over, Control C, then mouse over here, Control V. Okay, then you have three different modules set up already. Now what you need to do next is to edit the content itself. Okay, so how do you edit the content? Just mouse over to the module on the second icon here, click on it, then you can just edit the content. So for example, enjoy our free HD projector in all our training rooms. But the next one, you will key in your own content. Okay, now go back to your screen, give it a try. The last one, if you want, can do for both the second and third one. If not, I will guide you through on the second one. Then I'll show you my third one also. Okay, now let's do it together. So go back to your screen. We're going to copy the first module to the second column and third column. To copy the first module, what you need to do is mouse over to the first module. You will see a gray color square. Right click on your mouse, choose copy module. Go to the second plus sign on the second column, second plus sign. Right click, choose paste module. Alternatively, you can use Control C. So mouse over to the second module. See the gray color box, Control C, go to the third plus, Control V. Okay. Now, once you're done, mouse over to the second module. You see a gray color gray color box, right? Okay. Check out the second icon, which is the settings. Click on it. Open up, you will see title. Then change the title to free projector. And of course, the content you also want to change. Okay. Okay. Very good. Now, what I need to do is to do the same thing to the third one. Okay. Okay. So once you are done, just give me a thumbs up. Once you're done with the third one, also just give me a thumbs up.
Sorry, Dixon, can't see the words for the third title. What did you want us to change to?
The
After
third
free
one
project.
the third one I use free pantry use. So this is one. Cindy asked me to show steps again. Can't seems to paste. Okay. Okay. So how do you copy and paste this? So what you do is, let me just delete this away, copy. Either I Control C or Command C on your Mac. So mouse over, make sure you see the gray color first. You can right click copy also, doesn't matter. So go to the plus sign, the gray color plus sign, right click paste or Control V to paste. Put your mouse on the gray color plus sign, Control V to paste. Cindy? Cindy, are you okay? Okay, got it. Thanks. Okay, everybody got it already, right? So just going to on my last text. Okay, so this is roughly what you see. Okay. Once we are done, we need to add another new row, add a button below. Okay, now can y'all do it on your own? I give you all maybe 3 minutes. Let's add a button on it. So the button will be maybe the button can be maybe book now. Okay, 3 minutes starts now. How do you call up the undo history? NS you can use, okay, so how do you undo? Earlier I undo, right? How do you undo? You can use Control Z. Okay. Two more minutes. So if you're not done, just try to wrap up soon.
I think where do I add the button?
You
After
add a
the
row
third
already.
column.
Have you
Huh?
add the row?
Yeah, now that finished the row with the 3 columns. And then where do I add the button, you said?
Then you add a new row first. So to add a new row, you mouse over to the green color part, click on the plus, green color plus. Then you can add a new row.
Add a new row and then?
Because you take a look at my screen, right? You need to add a new row for this button, right? This one. So you add a new row, one column, then
one column,
the module.
okay.
Yeah, then the module
One
is button.
column is one row, right? Same, right?
Yeah, one column,
Column is
one
the same
row.
as one row, okay.
No, it's different. This is one row, but 3 column. You can see.
So I add the 3 column or the 1 column?
One column.
Yeah, I have.
New row, one column. Yeah. Then the next thing, the module, you need to add button.
Button, okay. Then insert something.
Yeah, let's put a button, maybe book now.
Okay, thanks.
Andrew, so some of you button is not centralized, it's okay. Okay, last few seconds.
Unable to type anything when after I click on the button.
It's okay. Maybe just take a look at my screen.
Okay.
I'm gonna do it for you. Okay. I see that Lula has questioned. I centralized the button, but the 3 buttons up in the column. I'm not too sure how you get it, but maybe just take a look at my screen. Then we'll show it to you. So first thing we need to add a new row. To add a new row, just mouse over to the previous row. There's a green color. Row is green. Click on the plus sign. Okay, this time around, instead of what? Instead of the column, we only have one column here. So we choose one column. Don't I understand the button is in the center, but it doesn't mean you choose 3 columns. It's only for one thing, you choose one column. So this one we choose one column over here. Now, then they ask you to insert module. You insert button. Click on it. Currently the button is not centralized. It's okay. Later we will come back to do the design. So this one will be more like a book as book now. Okay, this is what you do. This is what you should get. Then once you're done, just click print it. It's okay that the button is in the side. Later we will move it to the center when we touch on the design. Okay. If you manage to get it, can you give me a thumbs up? Say, give me. Okay, very good. Lula and Jenny, are you okay? Better than Beaver Builder. Thank you.
I have, I also created 2 other buttons like click here, which was not intended to be lah.
Okay, then you delete away. So are you in the one column?
It's on the left, extreme left. It's on the
Okay,
extreme
so
left.
you just delete it. So to delete, good thing. So maybe you take a look at my screen, I'll share with you. So for example, if too many, right? So sometimes kanchong, right? Then accidentally click too many. So what you do is just mouse over. There's a bin here. Click on the bin. Mouse over. There's a bin here. Click on the bin. And that's it. This is what you get.
Texting, repeat again. Sorry. I didn't get to see your screen. Sorry, just now.
Okay, no problem. So this is what you see, right? This might be what you see now, right? Right?
Yeah.
You just mouse over, click on the bin.
Oh,
Mouse
okay.
over, click on the bin.
Thanks.
Sorry, Lula, I miss your thumbs up. Are you okay?
I'm okay, thanks.
Okay, great. Jenny, once you're done, just let me know.
I'm good, thanks.
Okay, thank you. Now let's move on. Same way, just take a look at my take a look at my screen again. Now the next thing we need to do is to create a new sections. Take a look. So new section. So want to we create a new section? Mouse over to the previous section. Instead of green or gray, now we click on the blue color. Click on the blue plus sign. They ask you to choose regular, specialty, or full width. So being blue, you just click on the regular. Okay, so click regular. Okay, so same thing. The first one is your one column. Just click one column, one row. Then same thing, insert text. Okay, click on it. And same thing in the column, just put text, just put pricing, training room rental pricing. Okay. Okay, once you're done, remember this needs to be changed to H2. So change this to H2. And once you're done, just click on the green tick. Okay. Finish this text, give you around 3 minutes. You finish it, and then we can move on. If you need help, let me know. Give it a try. Just understand the logic behind it.
Don't mind repeat all the instructions again.
Everything?
I got the.
Which part?
Okay, I clicked the blue plus and then I got insert section.
Okay.
And
then insert new row. Regular section.
Regular, yeah.
Then insert new row. One column. Then insert text as a module.
Okay.
change your text content to training room rental pricing, then make it H2.
Room pricing.
And make it H2, that's it.
Okay.
NS asks, what if I want to change to 4 or 2 column in this case? Any way to do it? Okay. Yeah, there's a way to do it, NS. Later I show it to you, Ken. Francie asks, what is the difference between green and blue again? Okay, green is row. Green, you can see green is one row, blue is section. So the blue will come out first, which is your section. In your section, then you insert different insert different rows. And within the rows, you will insert its own modules. Okay, Francis. Okay. Oh, okay. Thanks. Okay. Jenny, I don't see anything on my screen. After you tick what lah? You tick what, Jenny?
Take it, but you mentioned something at H2, but I don't see the H2 thing, you know.
What you can do is just go back to the text, right? Sorry, go back to the text, click on settings.
Go
then you're
back to
back
my
here
text.
click
Go
on
back to
settings.
the blue plus, right? Go back to the blue.
No.
Where?
Module is gray. Module is a gray color, right? So you click on the gray color plus gray color. You take a look at my screen, mouse over, you see a gray color, right? See? Okay, then click on the settings here, the second one.
I'm not even here, no. I don't even see these words, you know, on my screen.
What do you see?
Somehow, yeah, I don't see these words on my screen because I followed the instruction, but I don't see these words on my screen.
Okay, but what do you see?
Yeah, it's very tiny. It's below. Yes, I see now. Okay, then what?
Okay.
So I think it's there, but basically it's there, right?
Setting, right? Okay. Click on the setting.
Click on setting.
Yeah.
Yes, it's
then
there.
Highlight the words.
Highlight the words. Okay.
On the left hand side, there's it was paragraph, right? Then just click change to heading 2.
Paragraph change to B2. Okay.
Heading 2, yes.
Heading 2.
Yep.
Heading 2. Okay. Then tick. Okay. Thanks. Okay. Thanks a lot.
Okay. May the space between may ask a question. The space may sorry but I just want to say all the question. The space between the button and the next section is quite big. Is there a way to cut back on the space? Now, May, you can do that on your own. I mean, you can do that arrangement here by cutting on. But usually, right, these space are all properly adjusted already, so it will looks it looks okay. But if you still think this is too big, then you can do the adjustment. So how do you adjust? Easier. Just mouse over. You see the resize button, right? Hold your mouse and you can resize it like that. Okay, but I don't advise you all to do it so don't need to. By right, the size here and the two different size, they are properly adjusted on. Okay, very good. So now maybe you can take a look at my screen. I'm going to show you one more section, which is then the next section you all do yourself. One more row, which is your okay, good. Which is your pricing table. So how do you add a pricing table? First thing, you add a new row. To add a new row, mouse over to the previous row. See a green color plus sign, click on it. This time around, remember, everyone on my screen, right? Please remember, this is not 3 column, but 1 column. So you click on the 1 column. Okay, once you click on the 1 column, choose pricing table instead. Okay, pricing tables. Okay, when you choose pricing table, you realize that it's only 2 tables, but not 3 as I mentioned here. So you can see that there's a plus sign here, right? There's a add new pricing table. Just click on it, then you'll get 3 already. Okay? 1, 2, 3. So once you're done, just click on green tick. Okay, again green tick again. That's it. So same thing. I give you 3 minutes. Go and try it out. Okay. Try adjusting the space, nothing, doesn't show changes. Cindy, what do you mean by which space are you referring to? And how do you adjust?
Texting, I tried to drag using the plus sign that you showed earlier, but the space, I think the gap is actually quite big. Like between the, for example, the training room rental pricing with the pricing column, right? There's quite a big space in between. Although you said it's being preset by the builder, but I do still feel that the space is actually quite big in between.
Okay, so if you still think it's quite big, right, what you need to do is just mouse over to the top, right? So for example, the section is too big. If you mouse over near the section, you see there's a blue color highlight area, right? Then your mouse is actually changed already. So you just hold your mouse, pull it out. Then you will close out.
Okay.
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 Try not to pull out too much. If not, it will go
out of
overlap. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem. Jenny, my screen suddenly zoomed too much. Okay, Jenny, you want to share screen with me?
Got it?
Yeah. Wait, I think you need to. You shared it, right?
Yep.
Don't see your screen yet. I don't see your screen yet. Jenny, hold on for a while. Let me try to stop sharing first. Okay, Jenny, you can try sharing it one more time.
Try again, right?
Oh, okay. On the right hand side, you can click on this one. Yeah.
Which one?
This one.
Right hand side. Oh, okay. Change this, is it?
You just click. Okay, can you? So now
It's
you're
still-
on the. Now
It's
you're
still very
on
large,
the.
eh? Still very large.
Wait, now you're on the mobile mode. So you just over here, just change to desktop mode. This part.
Sorry, I think how to do what? Say I can't hear. It's raining very heavily here also.
This part you change to desktop. Can you see my arrow? Click on the green tick first.
Change on
Click
this one.
Click
Which
on
one
the green
first?
tick first. You click on the green tick first.
Yes, okay.
Okay, ready? Then you just click on the cross here.
Cross here. Cross.
Correct. Click. Yeah, can ready. Then continue.
Okay. But still very large. This one looks like very large.
Okay lah. Standard.
Okay,
You see my screen also like that.
Okay, thanks.
No problem. Okay, shall we move on? So I have to add button for this pricing section. Button means what? Button. Don't need. Later we'll add the button. Okay. Now I just okay. Can see my screen again? Yeah, let me just pull you all down. If not, I cannot whether you are. Just give me 2 seconds. Where are you? Okay, how do I see? Okay. So I'm sharing my screen right now. So I don't know whether you all can see my screen now. Can see my screen now, right? Okay. Now then. Okay, so the pricing table, right? The button no need to insert first. Then we insert. Okay, we'll come back to insert that later. Let me see. There's another question earlier, right? If I accidentally have like a 3-column, then how do I change? Okay, so for example, right, I'm going to bring to this example, right? You can also make sure you can also like for example, this one is 3-column, right? You can also make this like 2-column if you want to. So maybe one day you don't give free pantry and free pantry usage anymore. You change it to 2 columns. So how do you change it to 2 columns? You mouse over to the row, right? There is a cell button here, like the 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4th button. So if you click on if you mouse over the 4th button, it become change column structure, right? Click on it, then you can actually change it back to 2, for example. Then the system will actually change back to 2. If you want to change to 3 again, same thing, click on it, then change to 3. Then the system will automatically adjust for you. But because this one came down, so you just need to click this, pull this up, and drag this here. Okay. Who asked me this? I think it's NS, is it? NSN. Yeah. NS, is it okay? How do you drag hold your mouse? So hold your mouse, you can drag it anywhere. You must hold the correct one. So this one, you just hold your mouse, you just pull up. Okay, and next. Oh, okay. Okay, very good. Let's move on. I can't see your face, the face now. I don't know why. How do I? Can't see the face now. Okay, let's move on. We will next create a new section. So the next section, can I just get you all to do it on your own? So maybe I give you all 3 minutes, same thing. This one I give for 5 minutes. So create one section already, then create one row with 2 columns. Inside, you can use the module called testimonial. Okay, so give it a try. We will break this in 5 minutes time. I will do it at my screen in 5 minutes time. Okay. I dread the height just now. Oh. Okay, Francis, thank you.
Texting, just a clarification. The testimonial, the text goes into which partner? I'm in the testimonial settings already. I see text and I see author.
So you can, there are different columns. I'll show it to you. Once you're done the part, just hold on for me. I'll show it to you in my screen.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, since most of you, anyone still need some time, I forget to on my time, I realize. If you, okay, so most of you okay, right? Jessie and NG and Tiffany, are you okay? Okay, very good. Okay, let's move on. Let's take a look at my screen. I do it on my screen that you all can see how it works. So first thing first, add a new section. So go under here, mouse over, click under plus sign, blue color plus sign. Select regular. Select 2 columns. And select testimonial. Over here. So how do you put in the content as what you have asked earlier? So there are different content. So if you take a look, right, for example, if I put like my name here, Teck Seng, job title, I maybe put like project manager, company, I just put like all star. So you see, every time I put in something, right, they actually structure this for me already. So I can put in my text. Very clean. Something like that. So you can have a text. So every text you will insert here. So the image you can change under here as well. I'll go through that slightly more later. Okay, I talk about the design. Okay, was it Jenny who asked me? Sorry, I didn't see the my WordPress. Just got locked. Jackson, you can just log in again. You remember the password? Is it everyone got logged out or what? Okay, so let's try to save our page first. For the rest, what you do is you can do a click on the page itself, then just go for Control S or Command S. Control S or Command S for Mac to save your page. Let's wait for Jessie and NS. Do you need help logging in?
How to save the page?
Control S or Command S?
Just
in your keyboard, just hold your Control or Command S. Oh, I saved my password and account just now.
The username, is it the demo?
The username is allstar AL. Yeah. This one. Should be the yeah. So
Okay.
NS, just take a look at my screen. It should be this one. If not, then I reset for you.
They say if I accidentally click before I amend the text, and now the whole chunk of those text appears. So how do I mouse over to change this part?
Which text? Which
The
text?
text in the system. I mean, it's in your content goes here, you know, and this is one we're supposed to remove, but I didn't remove it, and then I went to click it, so now it appears with all this text.
Okay, but
under the testimonial.
Under testimonial. So you mouse
Yeah.
over to the testimonial, right? There's same thing. Click on the module settings. You can see there's a module setting. Look at my screen, you understand.
Okay.
Click on the module setting. You can change the content from there. As usual.
Okay.
Okay.
I did a 2 column. Also, the second column, same thing.
Same thing.
Mouse over, it doesn't appear. That thing doesn't appear. The setting, it appears as in the complete thing. Okay, never mind.
Settings.
It appears once only on the left side. So the right side text, can't find it to amend now.
You can click on it first, see whether it comes out.
Okay. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Thanks.
You can only open up one settings window only. So let's say, for example, you already open up one settings window already.
Yeah.
You need to click on the green tick, then you can open another settings window.
Okay. Thanks.
How did you add your name?
under
Just now
name,
I missed it.
under yeah. I have wait. I reply to NS first. NS question is how to save my word. Control S or Command S. Control S or Command S. Friend. Andrew here. Author or author.
Okay, okay, sorry.
Ah,
Yeah.
no
Thanks.
problem. Okay, Jessin, are you okay? Still logging in.
Yeah, log in already. But I try to save, but there's error.
What error do you see?
Yeah, hold on.
Dixie, it's okay if I share screen with you to show you where my problem is.
Sure, go ahead. Right. Give me a while.
Yeah.
I unshare first.
Okay, the saving is okay.
Okay. Okay, give me a while. Everybody just give me a while. Okay, Jessin, go ahead.
Justin or myself?
No, you,
Justin,
Jenny.
answered Justin's question already.
Yes, yes.
If I share.
Yeah, because Jessin messaged me, so
Okay.
confused.
You see, I have two like that. So I have to mouse. I only see this over here, but over here I couldn't get to change it.
Hey, click on it. Click on it.
The left side or the right side?
On the right side, you click.
Click on, nothing happens.
Okay, you can actually double click it also. You open up. Double click. Open up, so,
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Double
no
click.
problem.
Okay. Thanks.
How you get this name?
Your name lah.
I mean, how you know this
It's
name?
on your note, your screen ma.
Oh,
You put your name there ma.
okay.
Did you know that?
I didn't know that.
That's a good
Oh, you
one.
mean my browser, is it? My browser lah.
No, you it's always on your screen when you start the class.
Oh, okay. Okay. Can. Yeah, I didn't know. Okay. So Jenny, okay, can I move on together? Oh, actually, you're okay. Quite on time now. Okay, let's move on to the last part. Let's do this as well. We can do it together. So I'm just going to do it, then you can do it at own. So if you're not sure, just refer back to my screen. Okay. So what you do is click on the blue color plus sign. Just we add a new section already. So regular. On the left hand side, we add two. So for the row, we add 2 columns. Okay. The first column, we're going to have text also. So text, on the first text, we're going to have contact us. Okay, same thing, select the whole text, change to H2. Click on the green tick. On the right hand side, same thing, add a text. Right hand side is also, maybe we can change to frequently asked question. Okay. Okay, same thing, change to H2. Okay. Now the next thing I need to add is 2 rows after I finish this. So just add 2 rows. Click on it. 1 row, 2 column. I mean. So on the left hand side, we're going to do contact form. Okay, so contact form, and then on the right hand side, we are going to have accordions. So add new module. Accordions. Once you're done, just click on green tick and we are done for the page. So if you are done, also just give me a thumbs up. Okay, thank you, Francis.
Texting, you told us to create 3 columns, but
Two
how
column,
did 2 or 3 columns?
two.
Oh, I heard wrongly. Sorry.
Ah,
Yeah, I went to create 3, so I have to go back and do.
yeah, you can click on the Jenny, take a look at my screen. You can click on the, you mouse over to the row, green color, right? You can click on this one, this thing. It says change column structure. Can you see the third one? 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth one. You click on it, right? Then you can change.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thanks.
no problem. Okay. Let me see anybody. One more time. If you are done, just give me thumbs up again, Ken. If you need help, then just let me know. Thank you, May. Okay, thank you. Lula, May Lee, Francis, NS, Jensen, NG. So on your left is Cindy, Jenny, and Jessie, and Tiffany. Cindy, okay, thank you. Repeat the accordion, thanks. The accordion, you can just, oh, what do you mean repeat as in add as accordion? What's the module accordion? This one, ACCORDION, accordion. Tiffany, the module name is accordion. Okay. Repeat the accordion as in what? Sorry.
Oh yeah. So I have the accordion, but it doesn't look like yours.
Doesn't look like mine. How does it look like now for yours?
Basically, it's just three rows.
3 rows? Is it what I see now?
Yeah. So I have that as well.
That's good enough. How the design we can come out later with the design.
Oh, really? But it looks so different from yours, eh?
Different from mine. You want to share screen with me? You mind sharing screen with me?
Okay, hold on.
Ah.
Please disable participant screen sharing. You disabled screen sharing.
No, try one more time. I enable already.
Okay, just give me a sec here. Where's my screen? There you go. Can you see my screen? Yeah.
Loading. Okay. Wait. It's still loading. Give me a while.
Okay.
How come so bad on the quality? Eh? I can't see. Okay, do you mind doing the control? Can you? Your screen quality is very. I don't know. I think you never load properly or what.
Oh, okay. Let me try again. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hold on. Why is it? Now?
Still the same, but okay lah. I think the bottom part, right? The section you a bit wrong already.
Oh yeah.
So
Okay.
this part, okay, just delete this. We click on it.
What is this?
Come. Are you able to just click? Okay. You add a new row, but add a new row. Add a new row later. You can just delete this already.
Okay, but I can delete. Okay. What is this? Delete this.
Is that delete?
I'm trying to mouse over, but it doesn't have a delete or anything.
Okay, just give me a while. Can you click on this? I can't see your screen really well, so just click on this. Yeah.
Okay.
So wireframe mode, right? Is it? Okay, good. Okay, you scroll down
Scroll down already, all the way down already.
all the way down, yeah. Then you delete this one.
Oh, this one.
Okay, then go back to your desktop mode. Desktop mode. Can already. Okay, then you go back to the place again.
Yeah.
Okay, mouse over, then you create a new row again. Create a new row. Correct. Yeah, correct.
So I just create a new row. Okay.
Yes, but this one is 2 column. Oh, 2 columns.
No wonder I guess I selected one column.
So contact us first. Contact us. Okay, the first one is contact us on the left. Then the right hand side is accordion.
No, correct. Well, I have a contact us and frequently asked
Yeah,
questions.
correct. The first one is contact form. Contact form.
Contact form.
Ah.
Okay, so this one, right?
Contact form.
So I just contact form. Okay.
Correct. Correct. Wrong spelling.
Yeah, I think got it.
Correct, yeah? Then green tick.
Yeah.
Then the right hand side is accordion.
Okay.
Okay. I let you do on your own. I
Yeah,
think.
stop sharing it. Thanks.
Okay, no problem. Jenny, you can share with me if you want.
Okay.
Jenny?
Yep.
Sure.
Give me a moment.
+5.
Can see?
Okay. So contact us, you use a contact form button.
Go where now?
The contact us, you delete away this one. Delete away this one.
Try shift first. Okay. Then
Okay, then contact us, you click on you need to add a new row first. Add a new row. No.
not
Cancel
this
this
one.
away. Cancel this away. Add a new row. Row is green color, this one.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Then go
Then
to
correct. This one is
two,
correct.
two column.
Ah.
Then text
Okay. Contact form.
forms. Okay, I didn't hear this. Then add everything.
No, then you just click on the green tick. Then the other side accordion. Okay, should be right. Everybody, the first one is right. Okay, very good. Let me just back my screen. Okay, so once you are done, let's move on. Let's move on. Okay, over here. Andrew, what do you mean by lockout? Andrew is not in, no? Okay, so let's move on. Sorry. The next thing so this is how you add your section and rows and different modules. So basically, the idea is draw the wireframe, realize, identify which is row, which is column, and then add in the module, then that's it. So the next thing you do is you go up and then you do the design to each of it. Okay, so the first thing first, I want to do design for the text over here. Now for design, right, usually we do not, usually for design, some of the things we will leave it to the global design to take effect. So for example, right, if you're talking about font type, if you're talking about font size, right, if you're talking about font type, if you're talking about font size, right, all these we do not change it on its module itself. So we will change it on a global settings. That means the highest tier. But if you certain thing, you can change it on the module itself. Okay. So for example, right, what I want to do is I want to actually move this to the center, and then I change this to maybe a purple color, bold it. So you can actually do design to it. So take a look at my screen first. Give me a while because Andrew dropped off, I think. Andrew, are you in? Andrew, are you in?
In already.
Okay, okay, good,
In,
good,
in.
good. Okay, so I just want to make sure everyone is here. Okay, very
I
good.
think it's
So what
under a
you?
different name. It's another computer. Sorry.
Okay,
I
can
didn't
no
check the
problem, no problem. It's all right. It's all right, no problem. Okay, so how do you do design? Just take a look at my screen, right? What I'll do is just mouse over to the module. Module is gray color. Click on the settings. Okay, now the settings opens up here, right? So in order to see the changes immediately, just click on the top, hold your mouse, bring it to the side. Okay, now what you do is next is mouse over to it again. This time around, instead of gray color, you see a blue color paintbrush. So you click on the blue color paintbrush. Here they will open up the design tab with the heading settings here. What you need to do is change the alignment to center and then change the color to blue or purple if you want. And then one more thing needs to change is the font weight change to bold. That's it. So you have your bold font over here. Okay. All right. Can we give it a try? Okay, can we give it a try? And as I'll come back to you later on your question. So can we give it a try? So go back to your screen. Go back to your screen. Now, what you need to do is to click on the, go all the way up, go back to your training room features, click on the training room features, click on the settings for that, settings. Okay. Then maybe it's blocked already, right? So you just need to click on the top and then move to the right hand side or something. Okay. So once you are done, just mouse over to the training room feature again. Also, once you open up mouse over to it again, and then just click on the paintbrush. There's a paintbrush now. Just click on the paintbrush. Okay. So once you click on the paintbrush, the
I
design
think I
tab
don't see setting. I see row settings, you know.
Yeah, that's why you don't. So row setting is green, so meaning that you accidentally click on the green color. So instead of clicking on the green color, click on the gray color. Take a look at my screen. I show you. Take a look at my screen. So this is also a common error. So for some of you, because this is on the side just now, so you just click on the green color, which is wrong. The green is for the row. So what you should do is instead of that, right, click on the gray color module settings. So you should see text settings. Jenny, can you give it a try on your own?
Okay,
On your
sure,
side?
sure.
Texting, I lost you for a moment. What are we
Which part?
doing? I
Which
don't know
part?
what. This whole last 3 minutes, I don't know what we're supposed to do.
Okay, so I'll do it again. So for those who lost also can just refer to my screen again. Now the idea now is that I want to change. The idea now is that I want to change this text to the center and bold it. Okay, so what I'll do is mouse over to my text, click on the settings. So once you do so, this might be blocked here. So you just need to hold this, drag your mouse and then put it somewhere nearer on the right. So what you do is, once you've done that, mouse over, you can see a paintbrush on the left hand side. Click on the paintbrush. It will open up the heading settings. Okay, one more time, the paintbrush, then you open up the heading settings. I just need to change to bold, centralize it, and then put a color to it. Can just put a blue color. Remember, centralize it. Okay, that's it. Francis, you managed to get it? No, Francis, sorry. Not Francis. Andrew, you managed to get
Yes,
it?
got it. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Sorry, Francis. Wrong person. The rest all okay? Managed to get it? Can give me a thumbs up. Okay, Tessin, thank you.
Sorry, I still can't get it.
No problem.
Yeah.
Which part? Which part not get?
I see text setting. I see you.
Text setting is correct. Text setting is correct. So you
Yeah,
mouse
then?
over to the same text. You mouse over to the same text. Can you see the
Mouse over.
paintbrush?
No, I can't find the same paintbrush.
Okay, then under text settings, go under
Mm.
design. There's a design tab.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then can look for heading text.
Okay.
Ah.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then you can just change the font weight to bold, text alignment to center, and then put a color to it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Can
Right.
I ask,
Ah.
can I ask why must use the paintbrush? Because actually in text setting, there is a menu there for you to bold and centralize already, right?
This one, right?
Ah,
Over here, right? Okay. So okay, Lula, I just want to I hope I visualize it for you. So I hope you can understand first. Okay, so there are different type of design. One is a design. So you can actually do a design to page, right? To one particular website. Okay, so you can do a design setting to one website, right? You can do a design setting to one page, right? You can do a design setting to one module, which is what you do. You can do a settings to the text itself. Okay, so we always want to do the settings, right, at the most global area,
okay,
at
I
the most
got you.
global level.
Okay, so that means all the heading two will adopt this kind of format lah.
Correct. We are trying to do that so that
Okay,
you don't change everything. Now, I just want to show you. So it's a good question. I just want to show you what will happen if I try to change it here, right? So you see, if I try to change it here, yes, you can do that. So for example, if I try to put this central, yes, you're able to do that. But after you do that, right, you realize that sometimes when you try to change to something else, you wouldn't work under the design anymore. So you also don't know what happened, right? Unless you met this problem before, so you know, oh, I changed it on the text already. So the best way is not to go too deep into the each level to change design. Okay.
Okay, got you.
Okay.
Thanks.
No problem. I can't find my.
They say I chose the color, but it didn't change at all.
It didn't change at all.
Yeah, I didn't change.
You choose what under heading 2 text color, is it?
Yeah, just what your instruction on text setting text, and then when under text font, you say text font weight bold, right?
Correct.
Then color, I chose the blue. Then below there's the word save, right?
Yeah, click on the green color.
And after green color, but still not leh. There's still original color leh.
Green color tick. It's still original color.
Yeah, the black color like not it original without the changes, huh? But it's bold, it's bold now, but the color didn't change.
Can you click on the settings again this time round? Go under your click on the settings again. But this time round you go under your text over here.
Wait a minute. Let me take a look first. Wait, go under which part?
Under text here. Yeah.
Then
under text, what do you see?
Under text,
what do you see?
What do I see under text? Under text is below. Do I click the arrow at the side?
Can you take a look at my screen? There's a visual, right? So over here. Click on the text here. Can you see?
Okay.
What do you see?
All right. Okay, I got it now.
What do you see? What do you see?
strong training room, features strong, I don't know. Is that?
Okay, so you just remove everything, left only H2. Like that. You take a look at my screen exactly like that, Kennedy. Then you can then try it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's move on. Click on the green tick. Okay, so let's so if you take a look, right, all the H2, right, is still not changed yet. So you need to change all the H2 to the same design. So how do you change all the H2 to the same design? What you need to do is if you're still under the design, right? So still under this heading 2, right? Correct? All of you, if you take a look at my screen, I'm still under this heading 2. What you do is right click on the H2, right click, then make style default. Again, still under the design over here, right click on the H2, make styles default. So they ask you whether to make style default, click on yes. Okay, once you click on yes, just give me a thumbs up. Okay, good. Click on yes, So once you click on yes, it will then apply to the rest of the entire site later. Okay. See, all the H2 is changed already. Okay, let me just repeat myself again. Still under the design tab, right? Under H2, right click, make style default. Make styles default. Okay, under H2, right click, make styles default. What if we don't want to apply it to the whole site? Then so may ask me what if we don't want it to apply to the whole site but only on this page. Then then you do already, then the next all the H2 you just need to copy and paste instead.
Texting.
Yes.
Francis, to get this, what you have on your screen, you point at which text?
Point my text then. Okay.
And then
Why?
under the green setting, is it?
What are you trying to do now?
Do what you're doing, because I couldn't find this.
Okay, are you in the text settings?
No.
Okay, then you go
Role
inside your
setting.
text settings.
I'm
No,
having
you
the same
go-
problem, Texting. I can't find.
Go to which text?
Go to the text settings. So you just mouse over to the text, go to the text settings.
Go to the text, yeah.
Not row settings, text settings. Okay. Now just mouse over again. You see paintbrush on the left hand side, right? The blue color
Yeah,
paintbrush. Click on the blue color paintbrush. Okay. Then you see H2, right? On the H2, right click, then make styles default. Can? Jenny, okay?
No, not good at all. I don't know where I am now.
Which part are you got?
I see so many. Still at training room, but the training room I shifted to the center, but it's just not. It doesn't look right now. Totally doesn't look right now.
Okay, don't worry. Give me a while. Andrew, you okay already?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, for the rest, just click on green tick. Then you will come out here. Okay, so Jenny, you want to do a quick screen share with me?
Okay.
Jenny, yes, white. So you're clicking on row settings. Cancel this away. You shouldn't be on row settings.
Where's the other option?
Okay, Jenny, relax, relax. Mouse over to this part first. Okay, you scroll up because I can't see. Scroll up. Scroll up. Okay, okay, I know what happened already. Now what you do is you scroll down. Okay, that means you have too many things created. This one is already one thing already. Okay, you scroll up first. Scroll up.
Delete.
Scroll up, then delete this whole section.
This one also?
Whole section. This one section is blue.
Yeah.
Okay. No, it deleted already. Control Z.
Sorry.
Control Z.
Control what?
Control Z.
Set. Okay.
Okay. Control Z again. Okay. Jenny, I'm just going to request for access. Don't mind. Let me just take access to your screen.
Okay.
Wait, how come I cannot take access? Request remote control. Okay, just allow me remote control. Okay. Let me just check for you. Okay. Okay, done already. So this part, right, just change this to one column. This is what you get. Okay. Then you just need to click on settings over here for module. The same thing. What you need to do is
Yeah,
mouse
what's right
over.
here? How come my color didn't get changed? This one.
Mouse over. Click on the paintbrush. H2. Change to this blue color. Okay, change it here. Okay,
okay.
then centralize it here, alignment, then you are done. So how do you apply to the rest of the pages? Right click on H2, right click, then make styles default, click on it, click on yes, that's it. Click all of you are okay, so you're done already. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so save. Okay, so I have a question. Let me see. It says but if you don't want to apply to the entire site, okay, if you don't want to apply, so like what May mentioned, if you don't want to apply onto the entire site, you can just don't do the apply the entire site. You just do it correctly already, right? Then the next time, you can just copy this module, paste the module below, and then change the content. So it will only be this site only. Okay. Anything else? Any question? Any more questions? Okay, if not, right, let's move on. Okay. Okay. Now let's move on. Okay, over at this part, so the next one we want to edit is the blurb module. So how do you edit the blurb module? Click on the settings, same thing. Okay. So for the blurb module, right, we need to change because this is H2, right? So this is going to be your free Wi-Fi is, oh, sorry. Sorry, share my screen now. Okay, so one more time. The next thing we're going to edit is your blurb module. Okay, so how do you edit your blurb module? What you do is just mouse over to the blurb, click on settings. Okay, once you click on settings already, this particular module, we need to change the module, centralize it. So click on the paintbrush, same thing, mouse over, click on the paintbrush. Now this heading level should be level 3. So this is H2, this one will be H3. So change to H3. So once you change to H3, it will be there. Okay, so same thing, click on the centralize, click on the, maybe we change to purple color, and maybe this font weight just change to bold. Then they can tick. Okay, Okay, let's give it a try on your side. I'm just going to repeat the steps, then you can listen to my steps. Okay, now first thing first, mouse over to the first blurb module. Mouse over to it, you'll see a gray color box. Click on the settings. Okay, you can move the box away so that you can see the blurb itself. Now once you click on the settings, mouse over your mouse to the free Wi-Fi or the title, and you will see a paintbrush. Click on the paintbrush. Okay. Once you see the paintbrush, the design, the title heading level comes out. So what you need to do is click on the H3 so that you turn this into a H3. Click on H3 so you turn this into H3. Same thing, change the font weight to bold, text alignment to center, and text color just change to purple. Okay. Once you're done with the heading, right, do the same thing to the text below. So same thing, mouse over the text below, click on the paintbrush. Same thing, centralize it. This one centralize only, so don't need to do too much, just centralize only. Okay, and you are done, just click on the green tick. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you, May. Thank you, Justine, NS, Tiffany, Gavin, Andrew, Francis, May Lim, Cindy. Lula, are you okay? Lula and Jenny, are you okay?
Yeah, I think so. No, sorry, cannot find the centralized.
Text alignment, text alignment.
I can't find my paintbrush.
Can't find a paintbrush. You must open up the settings first, then you can find paintbrush.
No, I
Yeah.
developed setting already in text. Then I
Okay.
mouse over my free Wi-Fi, right?
Ah.
And then I go to the extreme right with the plus sign there, right? No?
Free Wi-Fi, right?
Yeah, then I click what? After free Wi-Fi, I mouse over, what do I click?
You click on the, can you see, you click on the paintbrush. It's a blue color paintbrush. Look at my screen. You can see a blue color paintbrush.
Where? Can you just repeat?
Then I'm doing it for you now. In my screen, if you mouse over, you can see a blue color paintbrush. Can you see?
Uh-huh.
Click on the paintbrush.
Okay.
Okay. Then what you need to do is just centralize it. So text alignment. So Lula, can you see text alignment? Lula.
Yeah, I'm okay already.
Okay, good.
Thanks.
No
What
problem.
level is this? H4, is it?
Change to H3 first, then centralize it. Then change to text color.
Centralize it, text color, save, okay. I got it, okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, so once you're done, just click on green tick. Now, we just need to copy this style throughout. So how do you copy? Right click on the module that you already done, right click. Okay. Extend blurb style. Can you see? Right click on the module that you've done, on the blurb that you already done, right? Right click and then extend blurb style. Click on the extend blurb styles. Okay, you can choose that this one will only extend throughout the whole row. So you click on extend, then all of it will be the same style already. Shortcut. You want me to show you again?
Yes, please.
Okay, right click on the first module that you already done. Then you can see a menu coming out, right? Then you look for this thing, say that says extend blurb style.
Okay.
Click on the extend blurb style throughout. Change to this row. Then click on extend. And then that's it. All your thing will change already. If you manage to get 8 done, just thumbs up, then I can know I can move on. Okay, very good. Tiffany, Gavin, Andrew, ayo, that's just seen. Jensen, NS, Francis, May, thank you. Jenny, Lula, thank you. Cindy, are you okay?
I tried to use the extend function, but however, it doesn't. I don't have the option to extend. The comment box doesn't appear.
You tried to click on extend blurb style, right?
Yeah, but yeah, this particular box doesn't appear.
It doesn't appear. Can you do me a favor? Just help me save your page, Control S, and then refresh the whole page. Then you try again.
Okay.
Okay, so for the rest, right, do the same thing, Control S. Don't need to refresh, but Control S so that we save the page. Control S or Command S for Mac.
Okay, it works.
Okay, very good. So the rest all saved already, right? Okay, let's move on. For button wise, right, usually we won't change the button style, but usually the button style will be changed on a global level. However, right, sometimes because global level you only can have one style only. So sometimes you have, so there'll probably be two variation of button. One is for dark background, the other one is for light background. So you need to there are times whereby you need to actually do customization to the button itself. Okay, so what you can do customization is how do you customize your button is just mouse over to the button. Just maybe you can take a look at my screen now. Mouse over to the button on the blurb set on the button setting, which is the module. Click on the settings itself. Module settings. Click on the settings itself. Then what we do is we head to, you can also do the, for button wise, you won't be able to see the paintbrush can, but you need to be very careful with the pointing. But make things easier, just click on design for button, design. Then first thing first, a lot of you asking me how to do alignment, right? Under design, you can click on alignment. So click on alignment, you can click on the center. So it moves itself to the center. Okay. Then the next thing, what you need to do is just click on button, then click on custom styles. Okay, put yes. Okay, then you can change the button style. Okay, we'll come back to change the button style later. But for now, right, let's try to put it in the center, activate custom style for it first. Okay. Now go back to your screen. I'm going to repeat my steps. Just listen and follow through. Okay, what you need to do is mouse over to the module. Click on the module settings. Button module. Click on the module settings. Under design, click on design. Click on alignment. Okay, then click on the centralize to centralize the alignment. Okay, now under button, click on button. When you're done, just click on use custom style, just click on yes. Okay, if you get it, thumbs up. Then I can know and move on. Devin. Francis, okay, good. Okay, very good. So now what we want to do is want to change the button text color. We leave it as click on white button. Okay, click on white, then you don't see anything in it. So next one, scroll down, you see add background color, right? Okay, you can click on the plus sign to add background color, then click on the purple below, so it become purple button now. Kevin, are you okay? One more time, font color change to white, background color change to purple. And that's about it. You can then click on the tick sign to okay, that's about it to change for the to change this style itself. Okay, if you are done and managed to get that, can you give me a thumbs up? Okay, very good. Thank you. Okay, very good. Now let's move on. Sorry, I got a question. Hi, Teng. Hi, Teng. Hi, Teng. Okay, so Angie, I understand that you're losing connection. So all these are recorded in my YouTube video, which I will share the link to you tomorrow. Once I get it safe on YouTube, I'll share it to you tomorrow. Then you can actually take a look at the YouTube video. If not, right, you can go back to the YouTube link. Maybe tonight you can see the video already. After the course, I will have to edit the video first, not edit to publish it first. Then you can see. Okay, I send you the link. Sorry, not Jenny. So you can see Jenny. Not Jenny. I mean Angie. Okay. It has a round. So NSN asked me. It has a round corner initially. After I change the color, the round corner is gone. Okay. You can also do the round corner. So if you go under settings, design, button. So same thing, yeah. You can see this thing say button radius, border radius. Okay, so it's not gone, it's just that the border is white in color. So you can change the border color, okay, current border color to purple. Then you can see that the rounded area already. NG, not NG, I mean NS. Do you see? It's not gone because it's white in color, so you can't see. Okay, once you're done, just click on the save tick button. Angie, are you okay? Are you still able to continue or?
I try to catch up whatever I left.
Okay. Okay. If you're not sure, you take a look at the video first. Not sure, then tomorrow you can ask me. Go through review again. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
I'll go through one last thing, then we can call it a day for today. Okay. So it won't be so difficult for all of you. I understand it's not tomorrow. Sorry, Monday. Next Wednesday. Well, then you got like 5 days to look at the video. You can repeat and repeat again. Okay, so I'll go through one last thing before we break off for today. So it wouldn't be too much for all of you. Okay. Okay, the last thing I'll go through is your pricing table. Okay. So pricing table, what we want to do is you realize that at my side, right, my pricing table, the center one is pretty standout one. So I want to make everyone to stand out on the center. I want to make the table to stand out for the center one. So what you do is you can just click on the settings. Look at my screen. Click on the settings. Okay. Now the first, this is table 1, 2, 3, right? So table 1, 2, 3. So on the second table, click on the settings again. Okay. Under design, click on layout. Then make this table featured. This is what you have. So this is what we call a featured table. Okay. Now give you a try. Go back to your screen. I'm going to repeat my steps again. Okay. Now we're going to try to put a featured table. So mouse over to your table. Click on the module settings, which is the gray color settings. Okay, you will see 3 tables in the pricing table settings. So select the second one. Go to design. Click on layout. Then click the make this feature, this table feature as yes. Once done, just give me a thumbs up. Okay, Gavin, Tiffany, Jensen, Andrew, Lula, May. Thank you. Okay. May, your question is a bit advanced, so you can maybe after I finish what I want to teach, then if I got a few minutes, I show it to you. Is it all right, May? Okay, so May asked me, is there a way to make the table featured when the users mouse over it? It's a bit advanced, so I come back to this later. Okay, so I finish what I need to finish first.
But Dixon, I can't do it.
Huh?
The last part that you thought I can't achieve the result.
The last part, what?
Yeah, the feature layout.
You can't. Okay, cannot. Okay, one more time. I show you on my screen. You take a look, then you try on your screen. Okay.
Yeah.
So mouse over to the table. Click on the settings. Once you're done, the second one, click on the settings again. Then under design, under layout, under make table featured, put yes. That's it.
Okay, let me try.
Okay, the rest all okay? Can How about the rest? Oh, okay. Okay. Jensen, thank you. Maylim, thank you. Jensen, thank you. Andrew, thank you. Francis.
Texting, I'm stuck a bit now.
Which part?
I already clicked on the, now I see pricing table settings.
Yeah.
And then there's a layout, right?
Pricing tables settings. Okay,
Yeah.
design layout. Okay.
Yeah. So I click design layout. It's already a layout.
Yeah, then make this table featured. Make this table featured.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, yeah. That's all.
Yeah.
Okay, works. Thanks.
Okay, so the rest of the next part of the site, right? Just look at my screen. Okay, so if you take a look at my screen or your own screen, right, you realize that there's this part whereby it says, sorry, my pen a bit too sensitive. Okay, if you take a look at the table, right, there's this part, it says this feature is included. Can you see all these at the feature is included? Okay, but there's one part, it says this feature is not included. So what you can do is in the pricing table, right, you can actually do in a way whereby if the features is included, then you will have one design style. If the feature is not included, it will have another design style. So you can actually correctly label it already, right? Then later you can actually make sure that, okay, all my not featured one, I want to put across a stripe off so that it will be clear that it's not featured. This is what you can do. Okay, so what you can do is label properly first. Label properly, let the pricing table know which feature is included, which feature is not included. Then the not included one, we will do a global design style to cross it out. Okay, that's what we're going to do. Okay. So far, okay. That's what we're going to do. Let's try to do that here. Okay. So before that, right, I want to also make clear to you all, right. You want to take a look right now, right? This top is pricing table settings. So it's table it's just a singular table. Can you see table settings singular? But if I click on the back button, okay, I'm gonna see that it become when you want it to be a little bit sensitive. No. Give me a while. Try to. Okay, if you take a look, right, if you click on the back button, right now, right, I'm actually editing pricing table settings. Okay, meaning that if I go into the setting individually, right, it will become pricing table settings. So for that table only. But if I come out, right, it will be pricing table settings. That means it's for all the table itself. Okay, so just to take note of this when you do it. Okay, so first thing first, I want to show you how do you make featured, whether is it included or not included. So let's go to the first table settings, and under the first table settings, right, you can see that under the body, you can see that there's some of it are actually plus sign and some of it are actually minus sign over here. Okay, so what you need to do is, you can cross it away, change it, remove everything, right? So if you want things to be included, you will put a plus sign first. So we put a plus sign. So for example, we say that let's say for example, this is for weekday. So we want to say that weekday will have free Wi-Fi. Okay. I say for example, weekday you have free projector use. So plus sign also free projector usage. Okay. That's what you can do. But let's say, for example, we say that weekday don't have any, for weekday, you don't have any so-called free parking. So, right. So what we do is put enter. So what you can do is just put minus free parking. So it will become lightened out already. Okay, that's about it. Okay, can we give it a try on your site? So same thing, go back to your screen. I repeat to you on the steps. You just listen and follow through. Of course, you have to understand the logic behind it. Okay, so let's go under settings. The module settings, click on settings. Okay, let's select the first table. Click on the first table settings. Okay, now let's scroll down. Your content, right? Let's remove everything. Okay, let's include the first included item. So put a plus sign, put a space. Okay, it will look nicer. Put a plus sign, put a space. Then let's put like maybe free Wi-Fi. Okay, once you're done, sorry. Okay, again, enter, plus sign, space, free projector use. Okay, we're going to do exclude item. So enter, this time use minus sign, space, free parking. Okay. Okay. Okay, now once we are done with this, what we need to do is we will, okay, before that, I just want to also touch a bit on the top, right? So title wise, you can, if you scroll up, right, title, let's do the title. Maybe you can change to like weekdays. Then subtitle, you can change to maybe Monday to Thursday. Currency, you can leave it as money sign. Frequency, you can say maybe per day. Okay, and the pricing can just maybe change to 250. Okay, now just The next one should be button, right? If you try to key in button like book now, you try to key in that button, nothing will come out. Okay. So what we need to do is you scroll down after the body, there's a link. Open up the link. You can put the button link. You can change the button link URL. So just change to /contact. So once you put /contact, right, the button will come out already. Okay, so if you manage to get everything done for the first table, give me a thumbs up. Oh, Tiffany, good. Okay, I have a question. Why /contact? Remember the first day we set our permalink as post name? As post name, right? Okay, good question. So take a look at my screen. Explain to you. Remember we set our name as our permalink as post name, right? So basically, right, whatever your domain is, so let's say your domain.com. Okay, so behind is actually a post name. So if you want to do a link from one page to another page, right? You on WordPress, you just need to insert the /post name. The rest in front, you don't need to put in anymore. So basically by putting /contact, we are linking to the contact page. Okay. Understand? Thank you. Okay. If you don't see the button, it's because you never insert your link. So if you scroll down after the text, right? After you finish your text, right, you scroll down, there's a link. You need to click on the link and insert /contact, then you will see the button. Did you insert the button and the text here?
Dixon, can you repeat how to put the button into under the table?
Okay,
price?
so you still under the text, right? There's a button here. Can you see? So insert your book now, put a book now there, but you probably won't see the button. So once you insert the text in the button field, scroll down under link, click on it. Then you have a button link URL /contact. Just put it in.
So put the book now in the button link URL.
No. Book now in the under the text under button field.
Text under button field. Okay. No.
Can? Okay. The rest all okay, right? Jenny, are you okay?
No, never mind. It's okay. You can go ahead. The rest is okay.
Okay, so for us, right, what we can do, Francis, which part not okay?
The link part.
The link part, what do you mean?
That means after I put in book now, the next step.
Okay, book now is in the button field. You see, under the text, right? You key in your weekday, you key your Monday to Thursday, Book now done already, right?
Yep.
Okay, then you scroll down, there's a link.
Okay.
Click on the link.
Okay.
Then you insert under button link URL, you insert this /contact.
/contact.
Correct.
Fixing have saved it. So basically, I need to go back, trace back to which part to change this.
To change what?
To insert the book now to link it.
Are you in the pricing tables settings? What do you see? Are you in the tables?
No, I already saved and got up and seen the whole thing except the book now.
Okay, so you're out from the settings already, is it?
Yes, I'm out.
Okay, then you go back to the settings. Mouse over, go back to your settings. Then you can see the first one, right?
Settings are, can't find it now. Where is it? The gray one, right? It's under the blue training room pricing, right? And the
Pricing
extreme,
table settings, right? Under pricing table settings.
I got text setting, no.
No. So gray one under the
I
table
think
here.
I share screen you easier lah. I think.
Okay. Share it.
Yep.
Yeah, correct. Then you go under, no, you cancel this away first. Cancel. Okay, then you scroll down a bit more. Scroll down. You should mouse too much already. You scroll too much already. Scroll up. Okay, you can see that the module settings, not this module setting for the table.
This one.
Yes, correct. Go under the first one.
Yeah, I did that just now. Yeah, then
Scroll down. Button you didn't insert.
this one, right?
Yeah, look now.
But just now you mentioned something that cannot type in. I could type in, no, just now. So
What
you say when
cannot
cannot type in, I didn't. I moved. Yeah, then
Like, click on the visual first.
media.
Visual. No. Visual.
Oh.
Cancel. Cancel here.
So
Yeah. Then click on the visual here.
oh
Okay, can already. Then you scroll down under link.
yeah.
Okay, can already. Okay, tick.
Click this one.
Tick. The green color tick.
Oh.
Okay, can already. Can you see the button? You scroll down, can you see the button?
Yeah.
Okay,
Thanks.
good.
Thanks.
Okay, no problem. Okay, now, so back to my screen, yeah. Okay, so back to my screen. What I need to do is, what you have to do is go back to, so you're at the settings, right? So right now, make sure you are at the pricing table settings, tables, with so for all the tables. Okay, then from there, go under design. Okay, so we have featured and featured and normal table. So featured table is the center one. If you go under design, right, first you can change the colors of the featured and non-featured. So what you do is you go under title text, under title text. Then you can see that featured header background color. Maybe if you want to choose blue, you can choose blue. Then the third one is table header background color. So it's either featured or table. So if, for example, the table header background color, you choose purple, then you see that the two of it is changed to purple. Okay, so it's either featured header or table header. Okay. Y'all want to give it a try? If you manage to get it, then maybe you can give me a thumbs up, or you give it a try first. Go to settings. Make sure you're under pricing table settings, under design, under title text. Okay. Okay, so now what you do is if you scroll down, what we want to do is scroll down. Then if you scroll down, can you see excluded item text? Excluded item text. One more time, excluded item text. Click on the arrow down. Okay, excluded item text, click on the arrow down. Now you're able to change the excluded item now. So it can also be featured and non-featured one. Featured has one and then non-featured has one, but usually we can just do the same. What I want to do is maybe I want to strike out. So under excluded item font style, click on the strike out. Then you can change the color of strike out to red. So you click on red, so it become strike out like that. Okay. Can you give it a try? And then once you are okay with it, just give me a thumbs up. Thank you, Cindy, May. Lula, Tiffany, Jenny. Jenny is not. This J is not okay. May Lim, Jessine, sorry, Jessine, NS, and Andrew. Kevin, are you okay? Kevin and Jensen. Okay. Francis. Francis, are you okay? Still chat. Yes. Uh. Francis not okay. Francis, Francis, which part? Francis, are you okay or not okay? Could not do my screen freeze just now. Wasn't able to start. Okay, so can y'all just do for those? Can y'all just for the rest? Can y'all just do a save? Okay, click on the green tick. Go to save. Okay. Jenny, which part you want me to repeat?
Which part? Okay.
Which part do you want me to repeat?
After pricing table setting, then I click design, right? Then I click layout, right?
Correct. Layout.
Then I see feature background color.
Yeah.
And then where do I scroll to?
No, not layout. Sorry, give me a while. Design. Don't go to layout. Go to title text.
Okay, I change all over again. Okay.
Title text, not layout.
Okay, give me a moment, please. Okay, title text.
Okay. Then featured header background change to blue, and then table header background change to purple.
Okay.
Okay. And then once you're done, scroll down. You can see extruded item text.
Okay.
Okay. Under extruded item text, open up. Scroll down. Extruded item font style. Put the strikeout.
The blue one.
The strikeout, the last one.
Oh, wait a minute. Excluded
item font style.
Item. Okay. Use the strikeout key. Okay.
Okay. Then strikeout color can change to red if you want. Then that's it already.
Strikeout color can change to red.
So, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it already. Yeah. Save your page.
All right, son. Thanks.
Okay. So for the rest, right, just save your page and then can just take a look at my screen. No more already. So today, I think compared to last 2 days, it's a bit late. But one thing I just want to show you, there are a lot of things that you can do on DV. That includes what May wants to ask earlier. When you mouse over it, okay, how do you make it stand out? Okay, so technically, right, you can do certain things like when you mouse over something, then it will become it will screw up. It will become more obvious. So how do you do that? Is you can go under the particular pricing table, pricing table. You can go under board shadow because you want to pop up, right? So you put a board shadow. You put let's say for example, you put one board shadow here, right? So you can see that the thing pops up, right, May? So for most of the option in DV, right, you can do a hover effect. So for example, right, you can change let's say for example, you just change the blur strength to 0, and then the port strength to like -80. So nothing already, right? Then you do a hover effect. So hover, just mouse over to it. You can see a mouse click. Click on the mouse click. You can choose that it's hover or desktop. So click on hover. Then my computer a bit lag now. Sorry. Click on hover, then you can increase the strength. So below, same thing. Click on hover. Okay. Click on hover, then you increase the strength. So what happened is, if I click on green tick, and I try to save my page, try to save my page. Then I maybe exit Visual Builder. Okay, which I save first. Okay, Visual Builder. So what I can do is, if I mouse over it, you see it stands out. That's what you can do. Okay, May. That's why I say it's a bit advanced. It's a bit advanced. So you can play around with it when we have time on the, I think the 5th day. Okay, so that's about it for today, and I will go through the next 2 sections on Thursday. Meanwhile, if you want to go and play around with it, you can still go and play around with it. If not, then I'll go through with it on Wednesday, next Wednesday, and then we'll cover these 2 sections. That's about it. Then we will do the top banner. We will put in the image on next Wednesday. Then we will go through a bit on Wednesday. On Wednesday, we'll go through a bit on what is the image size and things like that. That's about Wednesday. I just want to let you know before I forget that it's an assessment at the end of the day. That means at the end of next Friday. That means that next Friday there's an assessment. The assessment, right? One of the assessment is this, which is your landing page. You need to submit your landing page on the assessment date. Okay. That's all for today. Anything that you all want to ask me? Any question? Okay. If not, then thank you so much. Thank you, May. Thank you, Andrew. Thank you. I'll see you all on next Wednesday. Have a good weekend. Thank you.
Yeah, Teck-Seng, hi. Do you still have
Okay.
time or?
Yes, but Kevin, I need the washroom. You hold on for more. Can give me 2 minutes. Thank you, Andrew.
Yeah, time.
Thank you. Hello, Cindy. Sorry, I just saw your question. YouTube video will be up for how long? For the next few months lah. So it's okay. Sorry, one more question. Jenny, one more question. My button text is white, did not appear. So that one purple. Jenny, you go to your button settings, right? Then go to design, go to button. You can
Button,
see
the gray one, right? Button.
Yeah, correct.
Design, yes.
Then go to button again.
Uh-huh.
Then you can see the button text color. Change to white.
Button text color change to white.
Yeah, you must click on the white.
Text color is white. Okay, save. All right. Thanks. That's all. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Wait, another question. Just now you're saying that whatever we are doing today is actually a landing page.
Not landing, not exactly a landing page. The whatever you are doing today is the okay. So landing page is a term only. So landing page can be any page. So what we are doing now is just one page also.
Okay, you know, sometimes when we log into a website, you know, there's this like pop-up thing, like they will show their promotion and all. And when you click, then you actually lead you to another page.
So you can use pop-up maker lor.
That was considered as pop-up maker.
Yeah, correct. There's a plugin called pop-up maker. Is it something like that? You take a look at my screen. Yeah. Oh, I know where the sturgeon comes from. Is it something like that? Yeah, my com is slow, not the speed. Something like that?
Yes, I thought, you know, this is what they call as a landing page.
Not really. Landing page is just a term only. So
Oh,
don't misunderstand that. Yeah.
Pop-up maker.
Yeah. So this is considered a pop-up. So you use the plugin called pop-up maker to do.
Oh, this will be considered as using a plugin.
Yes, correct.
Okay, sure. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
thank you. Okay, thank you. Gavin, you go first. If not, Gavin.
Yeah.
You want to talk to me first?
Yeah. Actually, I need to share my screen.
Go ahead.
Okay. I hope it works out because it says lagging right now. Okay, you gotta enable the screen sharing.
Sorry.
Okay.
Okay, done.
All right. So I'm just gonna show you the website that I bought, which is a mistake, I think.
Which is a what?
Mistake, a big mistake.
Why?
Yeah. Can you see?
Yeah.
So you see over here, it's like a premium, right? So it's like, yeah.
Okay.
And what I'm actually hoping to do is, I want to try to. Have you ever come into an instance whereby you can actually ask them for a refund, or can I transfer this? I mean, based on what you said earlier on, this is definitely WordPress.com, right?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, without a doubt, WordPress.com. I think they're just trying to screw me over or something, and then just tell me no, this is an open source, and whatnot. Yeah. So I did have a I send them emails and all that. This is the one I showed you early on, right?
Yeah.
So that's what they're trying to tell me, you know. And but long story short is how is there a way to resolve this, like convert this into an open source or something like that, or is it bought already and I cannot refund, or I can just tell them to cancel it? What can be done? Sorry.
Basically, if I happen to put it this way, you you only can move, recreate it, and then that's it. So you can't really move a closed source to an open source WordPress. This is the closed source WordPress lah.
Honestly speaking, I've not even touched it. I've never even done anything on it because I was hoping to.
So you don't want this site already, is it?
I don't want this site, right? I don't want this domain as well because
I don't want this domain.
Well, the thing is, okay, look at this. Sorry. Where am I? I think because it came with a domain, right?
Hi. Yeah, correct.
Yeah. So what I did is I hit this, right? And I think it came because I wanted all in one place, so I bought it and I actually took the domain as well. I think what I did was I bought a premium and I took a free domain.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm only afraid that I don't want to incur any more charges with this website because I'm not going to work on it, right?
Okay.
So
you can just cancel account, but you still need the domain, right? You want the domain, right?
Yeah, but I mean the domain also, okay, this is the domain, right? Sorry, yeah.
Yeah, HR
Unites.
okay. HRunites.com, right?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
I want to I want to do away with the domain also. And this domain, if I'm not wrong, was a free domain given by WordPress.
Oh, okay. So you can just cancel this account and then start all over again. Oh.
Is it possible to just do it from my end over here, or do I have to request it from them?
To cancel the account?
I mean, cancel everything. And I know I'm not going to get any refund, right?
It is a monthly cost, ma. So if you pay by monthly, then the next month you don't need to pay lah.
Okay. So what do I do now? I write to them?
Maybe you can write to them, ask them how to cancel the whole thing, no? Or how to cancel the account.
So domain account, domain plus site.
Yes, correct. If you don't want the domain anymore, lah.
I don't want the domain. In fact, the domain was just okay. I did this in a hurry and I didn't really think it through. I didn't even know what to do actually.
Okay, then you just write to them, tell them you want to cancel the account. Lah.
There's no way I can do it from my end here.
I'm not too sure actually, because I haven't tried this .com for many years already.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, correct. Right. So you ask them, they will be able to. If really cannot, then you email me. I check for you. Is it right?
That'd be so nice. Yeah, I will try on my own first.
If not, then you email me the details. I log in and check for you.
Okay. Ken, thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you. No problem. Okay. Francis, anything to ask me?
Yeah. I want to show you a site. Just give me a second.
Yep. Can share screen with me if you want.
Okay. 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 I want to show you. I think what we learned today is something similar to this.
Not really, Francis. This is the directories itself. So you may need to go and download a plugin which is WordPress directory to use.
Okay.
Not then you cannot achieve this on the normal WordPress sites.
That one is do I have to pay or
not? Directory is one that you need to pay, yes.
Yes, this is some directory. So when you click on this, you can actually insert more photos into it.
Correct.
Hold on.
You can check out this plugin called Geo directory. GEO.
Hold on. GEO.
GEO then directories.
GEO directory, yeah. So this one need to pay one.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. And I think
but the design is slightly different.
Because I'm interested to build something like this.
Yeah, I think the fastest way is to go for this Geo directory. You go and check it out first, see whether is it suitable for you.
Okay. And I'm not sure what happened to my screen. Some of the thing is missing, so I might have to do it again.
You check out the video first. Then after the video